Hey guys, what's up? It's JRCuber, and today in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing from Gfuel. So we have one shaker in here, and I'm really excited for the shaker of the new summer sticker. Doesn't it look awesome? I think it looks really cool. Anyways, so today's shaker we have Mystic7. Mystic7 is my favorite YouTuber ever. Not even just YouTuber, like my favorite Pokemon Go person ever. So yeah, this is the shaker. And that is the logo. I just like how shiny it looks. Like, the logo is shiny. That is awesome. So, I have some water in here. And then I figured Shiny Splash will be the best flavor to go into the Mystic7 shaker cup because Pokemon. Alright. Look at that. Thumbnail. Okay. Now, Shiny Splash is A-Drive's flavor, not Mystic7, but it is a blueberry lemonade, and it's a really good flavor. It's probably one of my most used tubs other than Sour Blue Chug Rub and Dumb Melon. Oh, look at that. It's like see-through, enough that you can see the color of the Gfuel too, but it's not 100% see-through. It's pretty lit, not even gonna lie. Team Mystic all the way. So excited. So I don't really need a drink out of it, but I mean, yes. Favorite shaker ever. I'm probably gonna get a second one. Awesome. I love it. I love it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe for more epic videos like this one. My name is Katie, or JRCuber, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.